I just finished filming a video. It was my most recent Ulta haul. I don't know when that video is going up or when this video is going up. I still have all the swatches on my hand. I finished filming that one, ended the recording, and clicked record again to film this one. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. New guys, today we're going to be doing a really fun Target haul. So basically I did a shopping spree at Target. I got some stuff here and also some stuff down at the bottom right here that I can't really lift and show you, but I did a Target shopping spree and I really want to show you the stuff that I got because I got a mixture of clothing, like fashion, and I got some homeware stuff as well because homeware is just so much fun right now. I love it. And I got something from Bath & Body Works that's not from Target, but I wanted to include it in this just because, you know, why not? So that's what we are going to do today. And if you're new to the channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And I will have my Instagram link right here and in the description if you'd like to check it out. I would highly appreciate it. Thank you so much in advance. But yeah, let's get on in to this. I apologize if the lighting is either too bright or too dark. It's almost 5 and the sun is starting to do this. Like it goes really dark and then it goes really light. I did that backwards. Really dark and then really light. Anyways, first thing here, I got a mixture of clothing items and homeware items. So I'm gonna go ahead and do homeware first just because there are fewer homeware things. Let's just start with this random Bath & Body Works bag here. I went in just to get one candle because I just wanted one candle for fall time to experience, you know, the vibe. Because everyone and their mom loves Bath & Body Works candles. This one is called, it's by White Barn. It is Apple Weather. The names of these are just so interesting. But it is apples, lavender leaves, and cinnamon bark with essential oil. It sounds very promising. It was this one and one more left, so there was 2 more left and I got one of them. So this one seemed to be very popular and the lady that was helping me said that it was really nice as well, so I got that. Super excited. I'm gonna burn it later tonight while I have my coffee. I'm super excited about that. On to Target. First things first, I got this guy right here. I don't even know if you're gonna be able to see that. This is like wicker basket. I don't know what you would call this, but it is just a basket. It's very heavy because it has stuff in it, but it's such a cute little basket. And I thought this would be really cute to go with a new chair that I got. It's actually my mom's chair back when she was my age. So she gave it to me and I got a cute little white cushion off Amazon to go inside of it. And I thought putting this little basket next to it would be really cute. Just kind of give it like a boho vibe, I don't know. But inside of here I have a couple of things. First up, I have this little throw blanket. I thought this would look really cute again on that chair just because I have that white cushion. I'll show you in a minute on my vlog camera, but I thought this would look super friggin' darling on top of the chair, or I could use this on the couch or even put it on the bed as decoration. Super cute. So I got this, and then I got this little pillow for the chair as well. I got this pillow specifically for that chair and it's really cute. It's white and it's just very minimal. Again, kind of reminds me of like a boho vibe. So it's white and then it has like some gray and like kind of rosy pink nude details at the bottom. So super cute. So I thought that I would put it inside of the chair, so that'd be nice. So it actually ended up being a little too big for this tiny little chair. So what I might end up doing instead is putting it over here on the couch because I've had this pillow here since we moved and it's basically a Christmas pillow because it's got like a little Christmas tree and I've never changed it out. So I might just put this one here, and I need to wash this cover, so I might just put it right there. That's cute, and then I can put this one up in like storage or something. But this is really cute right here because it was a little too big for that little chair. Let me show you the little chair. Here is what it looks like, and then we got this little cushion here from Amazon, and it's super cute. It fits so well. But this is my mom's chair. It was like a little wicker chair that she had when she was my age. Super, super cute. And again, I was thinking of maybe putting this across here or something, just so it would have something inside of it. I don't know. Maybe I can find like a really tiny pillow to put in there just to give it a little something, I don't know. And here is that wicker basket. I was thinking of maybe like put it here, super cute, next to the TV, or it could go right here kind of on the side of this, but I feel like that's a little bit much. What I might actually do is like put it right here just to have something next to it, and then I can put Kiva's toys inside of that. No, don't bite it, baby. I can put Kiva's toys inside of it or something, just so they're not like scattered everywhere. There's one. There's one. So yeah, I'll try something like that with it. And then everything else that I got, except for one thing, I did get another candle while I was there. I don't know why, but I got this one from Target, and it's called Pumpkin Pancakes. I don't know why I actually got this. I don't know. I'm probably going to return this candle, to be honest, because I love the Bath & Body Works candles, honestly, and I read reviews after I had bought this, so I should have read reviews before, but I didn't, so I think I'm going to return this candle. I'm not even going to light it or anything and just return it, but I got that. I got some clothing pieces. So I have not shopped Target clothes, like Target style, ever, really. I've gotten like 1 or 2 things from there maybe, but it's never been somewhere that I've actually just gone and looked. But this I found immediately, and I was like, oh, yes. You know, you guys know how much I love like band t-shirts. Whenever I do hauls, I always have a band t-shirt in there, so I found this one. And it is a Nirvana shirt, but it's rainbow. Look how cool. I did get it in a small. I wish I could have gotten it in a different size, like a medium or something, so I could have like, you know, tucked it into my pants or something. Maybe I still can. Maybe it's kind of like a oversized small. I don't know, but it's so cute and it's a rainbow and I freaking love it. I love this. It's adorable and I'm so glad that I found it. I got this little sweater. It looked adorable. It's just a kind of mauve, is this mauve? What do you call this color? It's white and kind of like a mauve rose sweater. Again, this one's also in a small, but this one does look a little bit oversized, so you can tuck it into jeans. It does look very fall to me. Like I feel like this would just be so cozy to lounge around in the fall time. Super precious, and yeah, I'm excited about it. I've never heard of this brand. It's called Knox Rose. I don't know. Some of these things I got from Wild Fable, and then some stuff I got from Universal Thread, I think. Those are 2 Target brands that I'm pretty familiar with. So next up, I got a couple of these cute little cardigans. This one is adorable because I don't have a cardigan in this color. It is like, it looks more purple on camera, but it is kind of like, it is purple, but it looks super purple on camera, but it is kind of like a muted purple, dark purple color. It's super adorable, and I don't have a cardigan this color, so I can wear this with like a bandeau, or I can wear it just by itself like this. It was super cute. I got it in a small as well. I cannot wait to try this one on. I think I might actually wear it with like a tank top. I got some stuff from Skims coming in the mail. I'm so excited. So I got a couple of things. I'm gonna do a video from them trying them out for the first time, and I can't wait. So hopefully there's something that I got from there that will go with this. And then I got one in black as well, and I got this one. It's just a black one. I actually tried this one on in the store because I wanted to see if the small would fit or the medium. The small fit just fine, so super cute. The black one is just basic black, adorable. I love me a good cardigan, I swear. It's a cropped cardigan as well. I do love a cropped cardigan. I'm like the queen of cardigans. Like I'm wearing one right now. I just love them. They're so much fun. Anyways, and then I think the last thing that, oh, 2 more things here. I got this bodysuit. I don't know why. I just thought it was cute. I did get it in a small. I don't know if it's gonna fit. I maybe should have got a medium, but they didn't have a medium, so I got a small just to kind of see what it looked like. But here is what it looks like. Here, it kind of looks like a taupe color, and then it snaps at the bottom. So it is cute. I'm gonna wear it with a pair of jeans and see what this looks like because I'm hoping that it looks pretty cute, but I don't know yet. And then last but certainly not least, I got some biker shorts. I actually have some biker shorts from Amazon that I got a little while ago, and I do like them, but they dig into my sides. And it's not that they're not too tight or anything. It's just, I don't know. Maybe they are too tight because would they dig into my sides any other reason, any other way? I have no idea, but I found these. I'm excited about these. I love biker shorts. I wanted to try to find some that were like fun colors. It does have a hidden pocket, but the hidden pocket is very small. Like I can't even fit my hand in there. I don't even know if that will fit my phone, to be real. And the biker shorts that I have from Amazon fit my phone completely. So like, yeah, already that's not very hidden. Like that looks weird. Yeah, I don't know about that. I wish I would have noticed that whenever I was at Target, but I didn't. Anyways, I'll still try these on and see what I think, but I have a feeling since the other ones have such a deep pocket that I'll like those better. I don't know. But yeah, you guys, that has been everything that I got at Target today. That has been my Target shopping spree. I hope that you enjoyed it. I definitely did. But if you have gotten any of the stuff that I hauled today, and if you like it, dislike it, don't, have no opinion, just let me know anything because I would love to know that. I want to know all of you guys' opinions. So yeah, but I am going to go ahead and end the video here. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, hit the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.